In today's video, we are going to share some secrets and unique and creative ways to make money. Without wasting time, let's get started. Number 1. Offer a service. Think about your skills and expertise and offer a service that people need. This could be anything from web design to copywriting, consulting or tutoring. By offering a valuable service, you can generate income on your own terms. Number 2. Start a side hustle. A side hustle is a great way to generate additional income outside of your day job. Consider starting a business on the side or selling products online. With dedication and hard work, your side hustle can turn into a full-time business. Number 3. Invest in stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks and bonds can be a great way to generate passive income. Please do research before investing. Number 4. Participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on sales. If you have a blog or social media following, you can become an affiliate marketer and earn a commission on the products you promote. Number 5. Flip items for profit. Flipping involves buying items for a low price and selling them for a profit. You can do this with anything from clothing and accessories to electronics and furniture. With a keen eye for deals and an understanding of market trends, you can make a profit by flipping items. Number 6. Rent out your property. If you have a spare room or property, consider renting it out on Airbnb or other rental platforms. This can be a great way to generate additional income and offset some of your expenses. Number 7. Offer online courses. If you have expertise in a certain area, consider creating and selling an online course. This can be a great way to share your knowledge and generate income on your own terms. Number 8. Write and sell ebooks. Ebooks are a great way to share your knowledge and expertise while generating passive income. Write an ebook on a topic that you are knowledgeable about and sell it on platforms like Amazon or your own website. Number 9. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like printables, templates and designs can be created once and sold multiple times, making them a great way to generate passive income. Use your creativity to come up with digital products that people will be wanting to buy. If you like our content and ways to educate people on personal finance, then subscribe this channel and share this video. Number 10. Participate in paid surveys and focus groups. Paid surveys and focus groups can be a quick and easy way to make some extra cash. Sign up for reputable survey and focus group websites and participate in studies to earn money. Thank you for watching and don't forget to watch the next video.